If you want to check voicemail messages on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the phone app. And once you open the phone app, then over here we should be able to switch to the keypad, and you want to press and hold number 1 to speed dial the voicemail. And then if someone left you some messages, then of course you should be able to listen to them. Now, in case you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, or you cannot read voicemail like that, then you can go back to the home page and tap on these lines in the upper left corner, and then go to settings. Then over here in settings, we're gonna go to the voicemail option, then select your SIM if necessary, and then here we should be able to go to advanced settings and then choose setup, and then here we have the voicemail number, which you can edit in case it is incorrect or in case this field is empty. You can contact your operator or service provider and ask them what is the voicemail number that you should use, or you can just try to Google that information. Leave a like and subscribe.